Hi student, done with ACET December 2023, now confused with which exam to start. So it's high time to start preparing for your next attempt. The first important thing is that you should just make sure that which particular society you are planning to enter to. So whether you are planning to give exams from II only or you are planning to give it from IFOA. So the first important step is to decide about the society. Next important step is to decide about the exams that you are planning. Since this is a long attempt, that is, the exams are scheduled either in April or May depending upon the society. So you can either go for CS1 and CB2 or CM1 and CD1. That is stats and economics combo or maths and finance combo. So it's up to you which subjects you wish to start. But the most important thing is that you should start it ASAP, because otherwise it will get delayed for your May 2024 attempt. In case if you feel that any discussion is required, feel free to connect with us on the number mentioned or book your counseling session with the counselor, where we can guide you with your respective diet and subjects that need to be planned. So in case you are done with ACET, don't wait that I will take the membership and I will give the exam next time. The most important thing is not to miss the diet and plan your subjects right now. Thank you. Happy studying.